many people know some protection ingredients are used for like a skincare product, but not so much for the hair care product. Because ingredients can protect the hair from the sunlight, need to be like developed with high technology. So this ingredients should be like a substantive and effective on the hair, even in like a rinse off product. So we develop sparkling shine booster only for hair and for avians. So the sparkling shine booster can protect the hair completely from UVA and UVB. Other products cannot cover both UVA and UVB, even though they claim some protection. No, hair cannot protect itself. Hair also get damage from the sunlight, like skin. That the UVB change of hair structure, which makes like a hair weak, porous, and less manageable. Then hair will have a more split end. UVA causes artificial hair color fading and natural color fading also. Then people can feel the damage. And ingredients must have efficacy to protect the hair from UV damage. The hair treatment from avians contains very special ingredients which protect hair from color fading. This slide shows hair threads treated with hair dye and exposed to sunlight. We can see obviously that the hair treated with a sparkling shine booster has less color fading compared to the other. Next slide. This slide shows hair color is faded from shampooing. We can see the sparkling shine booster can make like a hair color stay on the hair and does not fade from that not fade color soon. From this test result, the sparkling shine booster can protect hair color fading very effectively, about 80%. So we can say avians is the MAC.